Hello and welcome to this video about 10 things that poor people do that rich don't. If you're someone who's looking to improve their financial situation or just curious about the habits of the wealthy, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 habits that are common among those who struggle financially and contrasting them with habits that the rich have developed to help them achieve success. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 10. Lack of financial education. One of the most significant differences between the poor and the rich is their level of financial education. Poor people often lack the knowledge and skills necessary to manage their money effectively. They may not know how to budget, save, invest, or even understand basic financial terms and concepts. In contrast, the rich understand the value of financial education and invest time and resources in learning about money management. They seek out mentors, read books, attend seminars, and continuously educate themselves about the financial world. By doing so, they're better equipped to make informed decisions and take advantage of opportunities that come their way. Number 9. Spending beyond their means. Another habit that many poor people have is spending beyond their means. They may buy things they don't need, use credit cards excessively, or take out loans they can't afford. This behavior can quickly lead to debt and financial stress. On the other hand, the rich understand the importance of living below their means. They prioritize saving and investing over spending and avoid unnecessary purchases. They understand that wealth is built over time and that every dollar counts. Number 8. Lack of discipline. Discipline is a critical factor in achieving financial success. Poor people often lack discipline in various areas of their lives, including their finances. They may procrastinate, fail to follow through on commitments, or lack self-control when it comes to spending. The rich, on the other hand, have developed a high level of discipline. They set clear goals, develop plans, and take consistent action to achieve their objectives. They understand the importance of delayed gratification and are willing to make short-term sacrifices for long-term gain. Number 7. Focusing on the short term. Poor people often have a short-term mindset when it comes to their finances. They may prioritize immediate pleasure over long-term goals, such as saving for retirement or investing in their education. The rich, on the other hand, have a long-term perspective. They understand that wealth is built over time and are willing to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gain. They prioritize investments that will provide a steady stream of income over the years and focus on building assets that will appreciate over time. Number 6. Lack of goals. Lack of goals is one of the main reasons why many people struggle to achieve success in their lives. Without a clear vision of where we want to go, it's easy to get lost or feel like we're wandering aimlessly. Goals provide us with a roadmap for our lives, allowing us to focus our efforts and make progress toward the things that matter most to us. When we lack clear goals, we may find ourselves feeling unfulfilled, directionless, or stuck in a rut. We may feel like we're just going through the motions of life without any real purpose or meaning. This can lead to a sense of dissatisfaction and even depression as we struggle to find our place in the world. On the other hand, setting clear and achievable goals can be incredibly motivating and energizing. When we have a specific goal in mind, we know exactly what we need to do to achieve it. We can break down our goal into smaller, manageable steps and take action towards making it a reality. This sense of progress and accomplishment can give us a sense of purpose and fulfillment that can be difficult to find without clear goals. Furthermore, setting goals can help us prioritize our time and energy. When we know what we want to achieve, we can focus our efforts on the things that matter most and say no to distractions that might take us off track. This can help us be more productive and efficient, ultimately leading to greater success and satisfaction. Number 5. Not taking calculated risks. Not taking calculated risks is one of the main reasons why many people struggle to achieve success in their lives. While it's important to be cautious and avoid reckless behavior, it's equally important to take calculated risks in order to move forward and make progress in life. Taking calculated risks involves weighing the potential rewards and risks of a particular action and making an informed decision. It requires a willingness to step out of our comfort zone and try something new, even if there's a chance of failure or setback. Unfortunately, many people are afraid of taking risk because they fear failure or embarrassment. They may be comfortable with their current situation and fear the unknown. However, without taking risks, it's difficult to make progress and achieve success. On the other hand, those who are willing to take calculated risks are often able to achieve great things. They're willing to try new things, take on new challenges, and pursue opportunities that others may not see. They understand that there's always a chance of failure, but that failure is often a necessary step on the path to success. Number 4. Lack of a strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is essential to achieving financial success. However, poor people may lack the motivation or drive to work hard and achieve their goals. They may be content with their current situation and lack the desire to improve their financial situation. The rich, on the other hand, have a strong work ethic and are driven to succeed. They're often self-employed or run their own businesses, putting in long hours and going above and beyond to achieve their goals. They understand that hard work and dedication are essential to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Number 3. Not seeking out opportunities. Opportunities for financial gain are all around us, but poor people may not be aware of them or may not seek them out. They may lack the confidence or knowledge to take advantage of opportunities that come their way. The rich, on the other hand, are constantly seeking out opportunities for financial gain. They have a keen eye for spotting trends and are always on the lookout for new opportunities to invest or grow their businesses. They understand that opportunities are everywhere and it's up to them to take advantage of them. Number 2. Not surrounding themselves with successful people. The people we surround ourselves with can have a significant impact on our lives, including our financial success. Poor people may not have a network of successful people to learn from or seek advice from. The rich, on the other hand, understand the importance of surrounding themselves with successful people. They seek out mentors, attend networking events, and join mastermind groups to learn from those who have achieved financial success. They understand that success leaves clues and that by learning from those who have succeeded before them, they can achieve their own financial goals. Number 1. Not taking responsibility for their financial situation. Finally, poor people may not take full responsibility for their financial situation. They may blame external factors such as the economy or their upbringing for their lack of financial success. The rich, on the other hand, take full responsibility for their financial situation. They understand that they're in control of their financial future and that their actions and decisions have a direct impact on their financial success. They take ownership of their mistakes and learn from them, rather than blaming external factors. In conclusion, there are just 10 habits that poor people often exhibit that the rich do not. By understanding these habits, we can learn from the rich and make changes in our own lives to improve our financial situation. It's important to remember that building wealth takes time and effort, but with discipline, hard work, and a long-term perspective, anyone can achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.